Hi, welcome. This is one of my latest pieces called Masked, and I want to share how it was created, and I hope to inspire you to also get creative. I'll take you through the process and share with you how I came about creating this piece. I'm sharing how art was made because I think everybody has the opportunity to get creative. So it's just a matter of learning techniques and playing and just diving in to let yourself get creative without getting attached to the outcome. And you might find that you enjoy some of the process. So first I divided up the canvas into equal boxes. You can see it in the background in pencil. And then I laid down my mixed media. Once I liked where my mixed media was laying, I adhered it with a matte medium, and then I colored in the pencil boxes with a raw umber paint. Then I chose about 4 colors, and I painted each box differently, but tried to have each color flow throughout the painting. Once that dried, I drew with acrylic pens the swirls and the flowers and the things you see here. Sometimes it's fun to just let go and draw what you want, not being attached to the outcome. You can see here I started to add swipes of paint where there's white and there's pink, and I continued to draw and drip paint in different areas. And then I drew the stars. This is where I invite you to play and just draw designs and squiggles and things that feel comfortable. Just watch and see how your hand moves and create designs. And then I drew a person. I started with the eyes and dripped paint where the mouth would be. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do yet, but I was still playing. Then I drew the other person that you can see here, and I just continued to draw lines and shapes and circles to see what would come about. This is still part of playing. This just might be a better photo than the one you just saw, but I still continue to play and draw lines and drip paint and just kind of see what happens and what kind of images come about through play. Sensing that my painting was a little busy, what I like to do is take it into iPhoto and use the markup tool to bring parts of it out. So this is another markup in iPhoto. I wanted to see what it would look like if I made my painting a little less busy and made the people in it stand out a little bit more. So I liked how it was showing up in iPhoto, and I had done all these marks on the lower part of the people, which I didn't like. So I wasn't quite sure how to fix it at first. So after letting the painting sit for just a little bit, I started to add these colors where you can see the yellow and the blue and the red in the lower part of each person. Using acrylic paint and gloss, I thinned the paint so that it became transparent and started to fill in this person's hair with blue. In order to bring out the two people, I started to make the background more of a solid color. The way that I got all the color in the flowers and the hair is through using a glaze with acrylic paint, which makes it transparent, and it allows some of the background to show through while coloring the surface. And one of the most important things was I put the painting down for a while. And after about a month, I looked at it again and decided I liked it. It was done.